How can we remove the facial spots from the image to create a beautiful image? So let's start the video. First we need to open the image in Photoshop. So for that, first we have to go open, select the photo, then open. So now our task is how to remove the writing in this image in a very nice way, but at the same time it will look realistic. So for that, first we have to go rectangular mark quick tool. After that, select the first text, then press shift from the keyboard and select all the text one by one. Then click on the right side, select fill, contents, content aware, mode, normal, everything is fixed here, click OK. After that, press Ctrl+ D from the keyboard. So we can see that the text in the picture is clear now. Next, select Move tool, then Window, Channels, create a duplicate layer, Filter, Other, High Pass. Increase the radius depending on your image, but I think 10 is perfect for this image, then OK. Next, Image, Calculations, select the blending option hard light, then OK. Again Image, Calculations and OK, and again Image, Calculations and OK. Next, select the brush tool, now brush, but opacity 100%, flow 100%. Just keep the face and brush completely. Then channels, select spots, click on the top layers. Next, select inverse. After that, layer, adjustment layer, select curves. Increase the radius depending on your image. Finally, our work is done. So in this way, we can easily make any facial spots look beautiful. So stay with us by subscribing the channel to get such videos. Thank you.